say goodbye to air terminals and say hello to the self-balancing SAV Smart Air Valve with ITAC Intelligent Air Control. A simplified business solution changing the current laborious business model by creating a new, simplified value chain. Patented variable orifice plate technology solved a complex CFD equation that has been the basis for HVAC flow measurement and control, leading to an inefficient building technologies model. The SAV is the most economical way to measure and control low airflows over a wide dynamic range with a single-size self-balancing intelligent air terminal device. Using patented variable orifice plate technology, featuring up to a 100-to-1 turndown with up to plus or minus 3% airflow accuracies. The SAV is so accurate, it can measure its own low damper leakage at 100% closed. Available in round and low-profile rectangular body styles, including custom variable aspect dimensions. With the industry-leading disrupting turndown up to 100-to-1, the SAV can accurately control any flow, which leads to greater design and flexibility for the engineer and the building owner. Because of the patented advanced variable orifice technology, the SAV is truly pressure independent. It will meet the airflow set point and pressure without the need for field K-factor adjustments. Low profile, high performance, low air pressure drop, slanted and upright coils with factory installed project-specific hydronics are available. Coils are available in cooling, heating, or combination coils for humidity control. Project-specific piping packages are available, including 6-way control valves enabling heating and cooling from a single coil. The low-profile, high-performance slanted coil design adds additional coil face area in a compact footprint, resulting in low pressure drop. Can design for 120 to 140 degree Fahrenheit entering water temperature with a low air pressure drop, saving fan energy. We started with the idea that companies shouldn't have to pay for infrastructure they can't actually use. Introducing ITAC, Intelligent Air Control with continuous commissioning in real time. It's great for the environment and even better for your wallet. When the SAV is installed in an ITAC system with the AirCube Next Generation Air Handling Unit, you get all of the benefits of the self-commissioning variable orifice plate technology without the need for costly zone-level coils. The AirCube 2, 3, and 4-sided coil configuration provides independent zoning and on-demand multiple temperature zones, which leads to lower energy usage and eliminates complex and expensive zone coil and hydronic infrastructure systems, while still providing the required temperature to zones simultaneously. With the high turndown SAVs and our multiplexing air handling algorithm, different temperatures can be supplied to the same zone simultaneously from the same air handling unit. The high turndown precision flow measurement of the smart air valves meet the zone temperature set points with the exact amount of pulses of hot and cold air. This enables future-proofing of the building with a flexible hybrid user-centric technology, creating a sustainable future without the need for costly mechanical and electrical infrastructure retrofits when reconfiguring workspaces or when new tenants move in. The hybrid workplace is evolving, changing how and when people use the office. The workplace is now flexible and responsive to meet occupants and organizational needs. The self-balancing SAVs turn the building into one giant calibrated flow stand. This allows for fine-tuning of the building's performance through simple software enhancements. Diffusers and lighting can be relocated without costly mechanical retrofits. The high turndown self-balancing system allows for zone updates commensurate to the FlexSpace's requirements with a simple software input change. The Track Total Room Automation Control System takes the versatility of ITAC and adds lighting, shades, and power for complete total room automation control. All factory pre-configured, saving a tremendous amount of field systems integration time and field commissioning. When you put your building on track, you get the most energy-efficient usage with the best occupant experience. Take a picture of the QR code located on the room sensor and sync all the room and devices to your phone. Track allows you to control and monitor everything in the room, from lighting, power, climate, to being able to open the blinds with a simple swipe on your smartphone. With Track, you can control and monitor everything in the room, from lighting to HVAC, to being able to open the blinds with a simple swipe on your smartphone. A UL panel located on the SAV allows for single-point access to all the end-device peripherals that are factory pre-configured, reduces lifecycle maintenance costs, resulting in a high ROI. Disrupts the building technologies market by creating a simplified and economical value chain. The Smart Air Valve is a high turndown self-commissioning air terminal that is ASHRAE 195 compliant. The Smart Air Valve is the most economical solution to measure and control low airflows over a wide dynamic range with a single size unit. Eliminates laborious software selection tools. The high turndown Smart Air Valve offers multiple configurations, including round, rectangular, and variable aspect ratio dimensions, where one size unit replaces multiple air terminal unit sizes and ductwork. Optional factory pre-configured, high-performance, low-energy, pre-piped coils are available in heating, cooling, and combination for humidity control. There is no reason to pay for an infrastructure you can't actually use with ITAC Intelligent Air Control. With Energy Savings patented high turndown Smart Air Valves, feature machine learning artificial intelligence that self-commissions in real time per occupant factors and eliminates 1 inch of artificial riser pressure. Tunes your building's infrastructure in real time so that you don't have to. Future-proofs your workspaces with an affordable, hybrid, flexible, healthy, and responsive infrastructure without costly mechanical and electrical retrofits when reconfiguring workspaces. Eliminates garbage in, garbage out, and optimizes building automation software. Eliminates zone-level hydronic infrastructures, mitigating risk, maximizing ROI, reducing costs, and time to completion of a project. Features true airflow and systems control integration for a healthy space and occupancy management. Allows for modular, scalable, and repeatable prefabrication, leading to a faster time to completion. Keep your building on track with total room automation control. A UL 508A certified control panel is located on the Smart Air Valve with single-point service access for all room lighting, HVAC, power, shades, and additional accessories. Swipe your smartphone for complete control of your room environment, including climate, lights, power, shades, and more. The proof is in the pudding.